everybody, it is me, Yasmin, and welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour of my bedroom, which I'm literally in love with. I love my room so much, and I just want to share it with you guys because I've literally always watched room tour videos for inspiration. It's like my favorite type of video to watch when I'm bored, so I thought I would do one for you guys. Now this is actually the room at my mom's house, but if you guys want me to do another room tour of my room at my dad's house, make sure you just like this video and leave a comment down below. And without further ado, I don't want to be rambling on and on, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is what my room looks like when you first walk in. I'm just gonna do a quick little overview. This is what she looks like. Say good hi to my pets. That's Ivy and that's Luna, and they are best friends, so that's so cute. So I'm just gonna start with what you see to the right. So when you come into my room and go to the right, you see this big Alex 9 drawers. I actually just set this up for yesterday. It was one of my birthday presents, so thank you to my grandma and grandpa for that. And on top of my Alex 9 drawers, I have this starfish, I think it's called, that my friend gave me when she went on a trip, this random rock, and then I have my Bluetooth speaker and my old camera that I still use for like pictures. I just don't really use it for filming. And then beside my Alex 9 drawer, I have my tripod and my closet, which we are not going to go into because she is a mess. And I'm also not going to go into my drawers because they still need to be organized. Next, if you go again to the left, I have my bag that it's like my suitcase I bring back and forth from my mom and dad's house. It's really nice and practical because it's not like a big luggage, so it's easy to carry. And then I have my bedside tables, which is like the smaller version of the Alex 9 drawers. And it has, how many drawers does it even have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5 drawers instead of 9. On top of that, I have this flower vase thing that I used to have a flower in, but she died. So now I just have my hat that I wear like quite often. And then under that, there's like random chargers. And I have this 17 magazine that my mom got me. I have my latte that I'm drinking right now. My phone, I don't usually keep my phone here, but like I didn't know where to put it. And beside her, I have my backpack full of my homework because today was the first day back at school. And then if you take a look at my bed, I have a queen bed. Oh, by the way, that's from IKEA and that's from IKEA. And my bed, by surprise, is from IKEA. I'd be surprised if all my furniture isn't from IKEA. So my duvet cover is also from IKEA. So is this nice comfortable blanket. And that pillow actually is not from IKEA. It's actually a pillow of my cat. See, if you look at my cat, it looks exactly like her because my grandma made that, and it's the sweetest thing ever. It just reminds me of my cat, and I love my cat so much, so I just love that pillow. And then yeah, my bed is super comfortable, definitely my favorite item in my entire house. And I also have my laptop charging right there. So yeah, I love my bed, so comfy. If you continue over to this side of my room, which is really pretty, firstly over here, so basically in proximity when you walk in my room, if you continue straight, we get to this wall. So I have a big world map, and then over here I have pictures of like my mom when she was a teenager and my mom's old cat, and there's also a baby picture of me. I'm not gonna go too close up on that. And then I have this print that I got from sorry, you can't really see her, my curtain's in the way. I got this print from like a show that they have in Toronto, and it's basically of like homemade artists and they make stuff. So yeah, I got this print there. And then I have this chair, which usually isn't in my room, but I think something like broke on my roof and my mom had to fix it. So yeah, my uncle made this chair, which is sick. It converts into a ladder. And on top of that chair, I have a lamp because I am a baby and I can't sleep in the pitch dark, so I need to have a lamp on in my room. So I keep that one on when I'm sleeping. And then right beside that, we have my desk, and you may be asking, Yasmin, what the heck? There's another lamp on your desk. Well, this one broke, so that one's just there for fun. So on my desk, we have all of my jewelry. Half of this I don't wear because it's from when I was in grade 6, but I got this jewelry holder a long time ago, and I just keep all my jewelry on / like in this little compartment at the bottom. Yeah, so that's where I keep all my jewelry. And then beside that, we have a mirror. Let's say hi. Hi. So yeah, I have my little makeup mirror. She's kind of dirty, but it works. I have my sunglasses. some perfumes and sprays, some pens, a lotion, deodorant, and then this is my daily makeup. The rest of my makeup that I have is in one of my Alex 9 drawers, but this is just the stuff that I use like on a regular basis, like when I'm constantly reaching for. And then I have my makeup brushes, of course, and my broken hair pick. Isn't she cute? She's nice and broken. And then on my windowsill, I have a beautiful view of my neighbor's back of their house, so isn't that such a pretty view? I have some Bath & Body Works candles. These are my faves. Another one over there, and I have this wooden like carve out that my uncle made for me a few years ago. Super cute. Then moving over here, we have my big mirror from IKEA. Also, again, I forgot to mention, but my desk is from IKEA and my chair is from IKEA. But yeah, this is my beautiful long mirror that I can literally see my entire outfit in. I really like it. On the floor beside it, I have a Nike box that I don't know where to put. So yeah, and then yeah, this is my mirror from IKEA. What makes it really practical, because on the back it has like hangers, so you can hang clothes up back here, which I haven't done in a while, and it has these hooks. So I need to start using that. And then this is my favorite part, my second favorite part of my room besides my bed, is this wall. Now I put this wall together like probably 2 years ago, and basically all the photos I got off of an app called We Heart It, and I just think this wall is so pretty and like unique, because I don't really see many things like this in rooms. But I just found a whole bunch of pictures with the same color scheme, printed them out, and put them up on my wall, and I just think it looks so aesthetically pleasing and cool. And yeah, that basically concludes my entire room. I hope you guys all enjoyed my room tour. Again, she was really short, but I like my room really simple, not too complex. So this video is a representation of my bedroom. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Also, before I end this, I just wanted to give you guys a huge thank you for all the support I've been getting on my Trends to Leave in 2019 video. I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one.